Hey guys, Tony here. So Bitcoin did go to that 39.2 that I talked to you guys about earlier. I think we're going to see a run up to 42.9 sometime today or tomorrow. I think there's like a 99% chance. Again, like I told you guys that we're going to close a bullish week, and there's like a 99% chance that this is actually the bottom of Bitcoin. Again, confirmation is on Sunday, but as of right now, this 15 minute looks like it's going to run pretty hard to the upside. And I'm just waiting for relative highs of like what, 40,702 to get broken. Once those get broken, I think we're headed to 43K. If you guys actually like the way that I trade or all that stuff, shout out to myself as a sponsor. I have a Patreon. If you guys want access to like my indicators and how I trade and teach you guys how to trade and stuff, join the Patreon. I'll drop the link somewhere. I'll probably update all of my links this like weekend or something when I have time. But join the Patreon. It's pretty fun. Also, yeah, I think BTC is gonna hit 43K sometime this weekend. I think as soon as this 15-minute close is bullish, right? We have that little the bull trigger down here, and we have the stochastic up here. I think we're in a really good spot to run pretty hard to the upside and to start a really nice rally again. So I will see you guys later. With that being said, have a great day, have a great Friday, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.